everyone, this is my total dim sum set, and we can make a lot of stuff. And then the bat also teaches a little bit stuff over here, and also here.
Yeah.
And then wow, these are very useful. And then these four molds are.
You have chopsticks.
There's some chopsticks and one knife. And then there's some making stuff.
Oh, can I have some dim sum, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
Now we're going to start to make hot dough. First, we put the Play-Doh inside, and then put the squeeze in, and then put the other one also Play-Doh, and then we just put it around over here, and then we'll see that I'm going to make.
See my potato. See my potato.
See, there's a new dim sum.
Wow, so nice. It's a vegetarian hot dog.
Yes.
No, but not mine.
Now, these are the finished dim sum. Look, they're all green,
All vegetarian.
all vegetarian. And we
Nice.
got chopsticks. Now, thanks for watching, and comments below. Thanks, bye. Nom, 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 nom. Delicious.
2 more to go.
Nom, nom,
Look
nom, nom.
for the tongue.
Nom, 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 nom.
How many buns did T-Rex eat?
3 buns.
3 buns?
Now the 4th one.
No, 5 here.
Why so slow?
There.
Nom, 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 nom.
Thank you. I guess it's very full now.
And thank you for watching, and subscribe to this channel.
Yeah, that.